Another update for you guys on the carbon duck bill. So I think I figured it out. So after that last video, while I was sanding, I kind of fucked up again and I sanded too deep, but this time I sanded too deep at the tip. So I decided to say fuck it. I sanded a lot of it down and I just overlaid it again with another sheet of carbon, and that literally fixed all my problems. It made my life way easier and it's looking great so far. So for the bottom area, I'm most likely just gonna like keep this part exposed and then fade this up too. So maybe this all might be painted. I'm gonna smoothen it out with like filler and shit here and then paint it all the way up to like right here. So then it goes up, it goes from paint into fade into like candy, carbon, and then back into paint. So whoever's doing the paint job, I hope they're good. I don't know who's doing the paint job yet because your boy is broke. And yeah, I'll just show you guys what carbon looks like. Yeah, so the carbon is looking sexy, and you can see that line right there. That's from the overlay. And so that piece of carbon that was like right, it was going like a straight line, right? It didn't stick down for some reason. So what I did, I just said fuck it, and I just cut it off and peeled it off. And this part's gonna be painted anyway, so I didn't really care. I was like, whatever, it doesn't really make a difference to me. I just gotta make it even. So there's a lot of block sanding I gotta do. This resin is not easy like the roof resin was to sand. I'm using like some cheaper eBay resin. I mean, the quality of the resin is, it feels pretty strong and shit. Like, I don't know. This thing is not cracking or anything, which gives me a little confidence because most of this shit is all Bondo anyways underneath. So adding that carbon on top really strengthened it. So yeah, just maybe 4 more layers of resin and flattening, and it should be done for the overlaying part. Then I gotta do body work and like smoothing that area out into that so it looks flush, which is gonna be a pain in the ass. And I gotta do that for the bottom, and I still gotta sand that bumper down. And I'm probably gonna overlay this license plate area too. I don't know yet, I'll figure that out. Other than that, another thing that just happened was I got a package from Japan. And I'm not gonna keep you guys in suspense. I already opened up the box. I got new flares. I got new aim gain authentic rear flares. I waited about 5-6 months for these or something like that. And yeah, that wait was fucking horrible. But it was worth it. Like, the quality on these is so good. Like, these came body worked and everything. These are ready for install and paint. That's how good aim gain kits are. Hopefully the fitment is good. I'll keep you guys updated on that once I install it. But yeah, so that does mean the wide body, the flares I have on this kit will be on this car, will be for sale. You get the honeycomb carbon side skirts with the partial honeycomb carbon rear flares with the fiberglass front flares. No fender. You're gonna have to buy your own fender, or I can possibly get you a set of fiberglass fenders for a little under retail. And if you purchase my kit and you're local, I will do your install for free. I'm asking like $4 grand or best offer. You know, I'm not firm on it, but I'd like to be as close to $4 grand as possible. I think retail on this partial honeycomb kit is like 65 or 6,000 or 7,000 shipped or some shit like that. So I'm saving you a lot of money, plus you get the free install. If you're interested in the kit, you're local to me in Sacramento, slide the fuck through and take it off my hands, because soon, you know, it's just gonna be laying around once I have the aim gain shit on. and it'll just be, I mean, I'm not in a rush to sell it, but if I could sell it, I will, you know. But yeah, that's just a quick update for you guys on what's to come. Those are the front flares sitting right there from the Niko Widebody. It's not that I got tired of the Niko Widebody, it's just, it's not my style. Like, you guys see how the ends, like right there, is like really long and looks kind of bulky. I like this type of look, where it's more, I don't know, more sleek looking, if that's how you can describe it. I don't like that long sidewall look. Finally gonna start making moves on this build, because these have been holding me back from getting that shit done. I would have had them on already. I would have molded them in. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm molding these bitches in, and I'll figure out how I'm exactly gonna do that with the side skirts and the rear bumper. I don't know if I'm gonna cut it from the rear bumper and make it 2 separate pieces, or I'm just mold into it, or I'm gonna leave it unmolded on the rear bumper like a 350. I don't know, there's a lot to decide. I'll find out with time. Probably another month, my shit should be done or near done, hopefully, if everything goes right. That is it for the video. Peace.